Hey, what's up? Some days ago I received another package from mPOW company. I have already reviewed many products from this company on our channel Tech Brothers, such as wireless earbuds and headphones, and even Bluetooth speaker. Now, it is a new 2021 wireless gaming headset, mPOW Iron Pro. It has 2.4 GHz wireless connection, multi-platform compatibility, 50mm drivers, and long battery life, up to 20 hours on a single charge. This gaming headset doesn't have Bluetooth, because it uses 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Why? Because it provides low latency. We will check the latency and even microphone quality in this video, but first, let's do a quick unboxing. As you may have noticed, mPOW Iron Pro has a wireless transmitter in the package, because it uses 2.4 GHz wireless connection. As I already said, there is no Bluetooth. You just need to insert a USB transmitter to your laptop, PC or gaming console, and wireless gaming headset from mPOW will be connected automatically. mPOW Iron Pro gaming headset looks very massive because of these big ear pads. However, they are very comfortable. The headset also has adjustable headband. This makes the headphones suitable for people with different size of the head, for example, children and adults. All the control buttons and connectors are located on the left ear cup. There's volume rocker, 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C charging port, microphone on-off and power on-off. The microphone is also on the left ear cup. By the way, the size of mPOW Iron Pro headset is 225 by 200 by 85mm. The weight is 340 grams. The headset is not very lightweight, so it really feels on the head. Your head might get tired after using it for a long time. However, I want to note amazing passive noise cancellation of earpads. They really block background noises, even when the headset is turned off. Okay, now let's go to Amazon product page and look at the features of mPOW Iron Pro gaming headset. Maybe I forgot to tell you about some of them. As you can see, the first feature of the new gaming headset from mPOW is high responsive 50mm drivers. Later we will check the sound quality of this headset. And then we can see that headband is 15 degrees self-adjusting. I already said that mPOW Iron Pro headset is very comfortable. The battery life of gaming headset is up to 20 hours at 70% volume. By the way, the maximum range of wireless connection is 12 meters. The gaming headphones have no sweat and no heat ear pads. We have already talked about adjustable headband and control buttons. mPOW Iron Pro also has noise-cancelling microphone. Microphone is really important for games, so we will check the mic quality a little later in this video. If the battery of the headset is dead, then you can use it with audio cable. That's all the features of mPOW Iron Pro gaming headset. Now I want to test the latency. The manufacturer promises very low latency during wireless connection. Let's check it out. As you can see, the sound delay while watching video is very low. To be honest, I don't even notice it. I will also play games for a while, and you try to notice the sound latency. As for me, the headphones don't have any problems with sound delay. As you understand, mPOW Iron Pro is a gaming headset, and the microphone is very important for gamers. Let's check it out on the headphones. Hey guys, I record the sound on mPOW Iron Pro gaming headset. I don't know how the sound quality is, but I hope it is good. I just listened to the sound from the microphone, and it is very decent. Do you agree? I think that microphone can be even more important on the gaming headset than sound quality. Most likely the manufacturer also thinks so, because the sound quality on mPOW Iron Pro is average. I like that headphones have surround sound. It feels like the music plays from all sides, not just right and left. That's very cool. However, there's not enough bass on this headset for me. I wish the bass was deeper. So, first of all, MPOW Iron Pro is a gaming headset, so it has a very good microphone, low latency, long battery life, 2.4 GHz wireless connection. However, if you need the headphones for listening to music, then it is better to look at the other models from MPOW. The company has many wireless headphones with good sound quality and even active noise cancelling. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!